So in this video, you'll learn how to change the lock screen clock style of your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to access the lock screen editor, and you can do this in two ways. One of them is by going to the settings app, and then from here, you want to scroll and select lock screen and AOD. Then you want to look for the option edit lock screen and tap on it. The second is by going to the lock screen directly, and then you want to long press on it to access editing mode. If you have a PIN, password, or pattern added onto your phone, you will need to use one of those three options to confirm your identity before the lock screen editor opens up. And once you've confirmed and the lock screen editor has appeared on your screen, changing the clock style is fairly simple. Start by selecting the current clock, and then you want to come to this section labeled Styles, and you have different styles for you to choose from. So go through the different styles and choose the one that you would prefer to use, whether it's an analog clock or a digital, completely up to you. And then you'll notice some styles allow you to change the font color and the font and the color. So for example, this one, whenever I tap on font and color, I can choose to increase it, and then I can also choose to change the font as well as the color of the clock. So again, completely up to you to decide which customizations you would like to add onto that specific clock style. And then when you're done and you're happy with the clock that you've chosen, all you need to do is simply select Done to save and apply the changes. Now, whenever you glance at your lock screen, you should see your brand new clock style successfully added. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.